What if I told you that breaking free from addiction is not about willpower or punishment, but about finding something greater to live for? Stick around, because today, we're unlocking the secret to leaving addictions behind, for good. We all have something we struggle with. Maybe it's smoking, scrolling endlessly on your phone, drinking, or even binge-watching shows when you know you should be working. Addictions don't make you weak, they make you human. But here's the truth. You can overcome them, and it starts with one decision. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, life-changing path to leave any addiction behind, permanently. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to take one step at a time. Here's the first question. Why do you want to quit? Without a strong why, it's easy to give up. Is it for your health, your family, your dreams? Your why is your anchor when things get tough. Write it down. Look at it every day. Imagine this. You're not just breaking free for today. You're creating a future where you wake up proud of yourself every single morning. What if I told you the chains holding you back aren't as strong as you think? Keep watching, because I'll show you how to break them for good. Addictions leave a void. If you try to remove them without filling that space, it's like trying to hold your breath forever. It won't last. Instead, replace the addiction with something positive. For example, replace late-night binge eating with a calming cup of tea and journaling. Replace hours of social media with a short walk or calling a friend. Every time you feel the urge, ask yourself, what else can I do to feel better? This small shift changes everything. You've probably heard the saying, out of sight, out of mind. If you want to quit, remove the temptations. Clean out your space. Delete the apps. Avoid the places or situations that trigger you. Here's a powerful tip. Tell someone you trust about your decision. Accountability makes you stronger. They'll remind you why you started on the days you feel weak. Listen to me closely. Slipping up doesn't mean you failed. It means you're human. The only way to truly fail is to stop trying. Every time you stumble, learn from it. Ask yourself, what triggered me? What can I do differently next time? Growth isn't about never falling. It's about always getting back up. What if every decision you make from this moment forward pulls you closer to the life you want? You're stronger than you think, and it's time to prove it. Every small win matters. One day without giving in, celebrate it. A week, celebrate bigger. When you celebrate progress, you train your brain to crave success instead of the addiction. Think of it like climbing a mountain. Each step brings you closer to the top. And when you get there, the view will be worth it. Let me leave you with this. Addictions don't define you. They're just a chapter in your story, not the whole book. You have the power to write a new ending. Starting today, take a deep breath. Picture the life you want. Now take one small step toward it. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. If this message hit home, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe to this channel so we can keep growing together. Let's leave what's holding us back in the past and step into a brighter future. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next video.